On 22nd September 2021, the KHASI Students' Union RANIKOR Circle had visited the Community Health Centre at RANIKOR to witness the condition of the health facility, where electricity, which is one of the basic necessities, had been cut off by Fedco, the power supply company in the area. It was informed that non-payment of electricity bills of about Rs 25 lakhs had prompted Fedco to take this step. Further, sources say that all electrical equipments had to be moved to a neighbouring office where electricity supply is in place. Taking cognizance of the problems of patients and health workers of the KHASI, the KSU Mawkyrwat Circle, under the leadership of Marconi Thongni, on the very same day, had sealed the office of the electricity supply company Fedco at RANIKOR as a warning that similar incidents should not happen again in the future. Following the KSU's action against their office, Fedco had no other way but to resume electricity supply to the health centre at Mawkyrwat.
Light electricity connection joini po CAC RANIKOR kila ada cut na dukasi khadri Thursday khadri 3 September te mentala don kumba shitayo bangin don line te kajing e ko bangi ni akan do honi ko banikong e kay day bhab kinong pang namar ba kidawan kinong pang kibobon kitiar ni penon kam ni don kam daga light ban penon kam iki ti misam jin jenjar bha ta bat ka ba ar kalong ka ba day ba kanika ba ai inject mo mangitip mentang ni penon ini ko vaccination bat kiwe ki inject ko ni ai khalong apok ka routine immunization ti kini kidawai inject ru kidon kam ban bo ha kum kini ki machine ki badon kam ga light ti ya ka ba mentang ni kum kini ki machine ni dang persang ban bo kini ki department kiwe dan marjan bat ni knam bat ki yo penyarap lang ini mentang te nga sukarman na manangalian jongi hi nadu ko tugas ni bakal alip kalay ila ada inform ye MLA jongi hangde rengkat lang bat in charge DC jongi ta po Southwest te ngila ada don ga jingya keren bat ki bang kermen ru limba ka jingya keren jongi inyo I bang inyo ru ikani kalay haka por ka bobian
dayo jing tiap ba kadon ka jing shot kalaj ka elektrik ba adu unta la stayo ba kadon ka jing shot light kadai nomor ba kadang kejing sakut bil tinaliang jungi kesengi long ni songkia abai dei bat bani sngo ba kat ka jaka sumar mo kan shot light kumni nomor ba bun kinong pang ru ke bawan khang ni po si RANIKOR mat kiwi bawan thia pang ni ki haban lek phai no nomor kejing bom don light bat ka bu jing ero ya ki nong tre ni ru ki doktor ki nos kiwi staff ru abai dei kiwi kam tam le bat ki dawai ban kidon kidawai bahaban buun pendeta ban story kidawai pendeta jahaban lek ra shawi sha kuma police station ngani pa marjan te kiwi ki chingdon kamro haban lek si kiwi pat te kalong ke leng ni keseng ni sokya ba ka Fedco long ka pa ot no e kalait na hani po si sha kala don ke jing warning to warla ka don makana ro honde kadang don ke jing ya keren kadon ke jing ya keren ge mane pendek angsha kam dei ban chuan ot ya ka light ha ka jaka suma kiwi ki office kila ban ot mar mdon long kaya pier bat ka hostal mo yen re hang ni na leng ji ka seng ni sokya ba den ba ni la yo jing tep ba kadon ka jing ot light ni na leng ji ka seng ni di kentu ya ka dia mecho ba ka DJH ba ki de ban simkia mardor ba kamtam e nom mat dungi jongkaran korpensi ba ude ban simkia lot ini ke ba kalong ke ba sngo le ran ban sngo ba kadon gajing shot light po stal